Baking soda isn't a shocker here. Sodium bicarbonate, its official name, is mildly abrasive, gently scrubbing away surface stains to return teeth to a whiter shade. It's also very alkaline, the opposite of acidic, so I would think if you have a very acidic mouth or eat a lot of acidic food, it could help balance out the pH, which would be useful as acid breaks down enamel. This is strictly speculation on my part. It will also reduce the acidity of the lemon juice, which acts as a natural bleach of sorts. I use a mixture of baking soda and water on some days, and use the lemon juice on others, as I don't want to overdo it. You will need several teaspoons of baking soda, enough lemon juice or water to form a paste, a toothbrush. Directions: mix several teaspoons of baking soda with enough fresh lemon juice, or water, to make a paste. Wipe your teeth and any extra saliva off of them with a paper towel. Put a good amount of paste onto your toothbrush and apply. Leave the paste on for 1 minute, then rinse, so as to avoid the acid affecting enamel. If you are using just water, you can leave it on for up to 3 minutes. I know this sounds absolutely mad. I thought it was crazy too when I first read about it, but rinsing your mouth with coconut oil, called oil pulling, is a unique, old remedy that people swear by to help whiten teeth. It doesn't sound like the most pleasant thing in the world, but I actually don't mind the taste, and I think it does make a difference in the color of your teeth. It won't make a difference by bleaching per se, but lauric acid in coconut oil can rid your teeth of bacteria found in plaque that can make them yellow. It is also supposed to promote gum health, and help keep your breath fresh. You will need about a tablespoon of coconut oil. Directions: in the morning, before you brush your teeth, scoop out a tablespoon or a little less, depending on the size of your mouth, of coconut oil. You can either soften it, or just put it in your mouth. I usually do the latter, and just let it soften, push, swish, and pull the oil through and around your teeth for 10-15 minutes, then spit it out, rinse with water, and brush your teeth. Strawberries are high in vitamin C, which can help break down plaque that is causing your teeth to look yellow. It also has an enzyme called malic acid, which may help to remove surface stains. The salt acts as an abrasive portion of the paste, physically scrubbing away stain-causing gunk, and the baking soda is an extra touch that you can choose to leave out if you'd prefer. I just like to add it to anything involving my teeth. You will need 3 large strawberries, a pinch of sea salt, -1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Directions: mash the berries into a pulp, and add a pinch of sea salt and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, if you're using it. Wipe any extra saliva off your teeth with a paper towel, and then apply a generous portion of the mixture to a toothbrush and apply. Let the mixture sit for 5 minutes, then rinse. Do this nightly.